In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create masterpieces with the help of artificial intelligence. PaintShop Pro's new Pic-to-Painting presets apply deep neural networks to analyze your photo and turn it into a work of art that replicates the style of iconic artists. Pic-to-Painting is a plugin that can be downloaded free from the PaintShop Pro 2019 Welcome tab. Once you locate Pic-to-Painting, click Install, and it will install right into PaintShop Pro. When you're done with installation, close and relaunch PaintShop Pro. Once you've reopened the program, go to Effects, Plugins, and choose Pic-to-Painting to launch the plugin. Here you can choose from a number of painting styles to achieve the look of a famous painting on your own image. Just click on a thumbnail that you like the look of, and you'll see a preview of that thumbnail in the top right. You can then choose the strength of the effect from these three options, and then click Preview Style to see what it looks like on your full-sized image. Rendering may take a moment while intelligent algorithms turn your photo into a masterpiece, but it's worth the wait. Try as many paint styles as you like until you find the look you want. You can always click Reset to remove a paint style, or you can simply apply a new style, as the effects won't overlap or stack. Once you've found the style you like, click Send and Close to bring your painted image into PaintShop Pro. Now you're ready to further edit your Pic-to-Painting image in PaintShop Pro, or to save it as a new image. That's it for Pic-to-Painting. Have fun creating.